Hi! In this video, we'll explain what an endless referrals program is and how it works. Our partner program allows you to receive partner bonuses. Regardless of the depth of your partner's investments, you will always receive a bonus. What's important here is your status. The higher your status, the higher the amount of your partnership accruals. Let's take a closer look at how it works. In this case, you have the first status of the referrals program. This means that your accruals from the first-line partners is 4% of the total amount of investments. Let's look at the situation when you have fulfilled two conditions. You've achieved the 10th level, which is the highest level of the referrals program. You have 4 structures that are not connected. The first structure is bronze, the second is silver, the third is gold, and the fourth is platinum. Let's take, for example, the platinum structure. Let's suppose that the person that you have personally invited invests $1,000. You would receive $220 from this amount because you are on the 10th level and therefore receive 22% of his or her investments. Now, let's take a look at another example. Bronze structure, the third line. If someone invests $10,000, the person who has invited him or her is guaranteed to receive interest through the referrals program. This interest will amount to 4%. 4% of $10,000 is $400. This is the amount that the inviting person will receive. Now let's talk about someone that you personally invite. Let's suppose that this person achieves the 5th status in the bronze structure of the referrals program. His or her income amounts to 8% of the amount of investment. His or her interest rate is calculated depending on his or her status and the status of the downline partner. The interest rate for the 5th level is 12%. Remember, the inviting person receives 4% of this amount. So, the invited person receives 8% of $10,000, which is $800. Your interest will be even higher. Let's do the math. Your referral interest is 22. We should subtract your 5th status referral interest from this. So, 22 minus 12 equals 10 from the $10,000 amount. This is your income from the investments in the third line. Now let's take a look at the golden structure. The red person is you. You can see your first line partner and his or her partner. It's your second line. You can also see one partner in the third line. Let's suppose that your first line partner has achieved the 2nd status in the referrals program, and your second partner in the second line has also achieved the 2nd status. In that case, when the second line partner makes an investment, only the partner that has invited him or her receives accruals. Your profits will come from the highest status of your downline partners. You are at the 10th level with 22%. Your biggest downline partner has the 2nd status, equals 6% in the golden structure. 22% minus 6% equals 16%. This is your income from the amount of investment. Why did the Wiseling Company choose the Endless Referrals program? It's simple. We want to give our partners as much as possible. That's why we encourage the most active partners who create teams. Moreover, you receive a bonus from the investment of each partner regardless of his or her status. And most importantly, we want to become a global company, and we are counting on your support. Together, we can change the world.